Sure. Here's a 700-word script written in an exciting, engaging tone, perfect for a YouTube video about the rare 2-cent euro coin from 2008. It's structured to captivate viewers from the beginning and keep them watching to the end, especially with the appeal of high coin values. What if I told you that a tiny 2-cent euro coin, something you might find lying around at the bottom of your pocket or stuck between your car seats, could actually be worth hundreds, thousands, or even tens of thousands of euros? Sounds unbelievable, right? But today, you're about to discover the shocking truth behind one of the rarest and most valuable coins ever produced in the Eurozone, the 2-cent euro from 2008. Yes, that humble copper-colored coin, often overlooked and barely even used in some countries, could be your hidden jackpot. Don't make the mistake of underestimating its value, because some collectors are willing to pay massive sums to get their hands on specific versions of this coin. So sit tight, because you won't believe how much these little coins are really worth. Now let's rewind a bit and understand why this particular coin from 2008 is turning heads in the numismatic world. In general, euro coins are minted by individual countries and often carry national designs on one side, making some editions more collectible than others. But in 2008, something unusual happened. A combination of low mintage numbers, production errors, and transitional designs resulted in a few 2-cent coins becoming incredibly rare. And when rarity meets collector demand, the prices can skyrocket, sometimes beyond imagination. For instance, one such Italian 2-cent coin, incorrectly minted with the reverse of a 1-cent coin but in the size and color of a 2-cent, was auctioned for over 6,000 euros. That's right, 6,000 euros for a coin with a face value of just 2 cents. And that's not even the rarest of them. What makes these coins so valuable isn't just their scarcity. It's also the story behind them. In Italy, 2-cent coins from 2008 with the Mole Antonelliana design meant for the 2-cent were mistakenly struck with the reverse of the 1-cent coin, showing the Castel del Monte instead. Even more intriguing, the coin was struck on a 2-cent blank, meaning the size and weight were all wrong for a 1-cent, yet the design said otherwise. Only a handful of these errors made it into circulation before the mistake was caught. These minting errors are like gold to coin collectors. They're not just rare, they're virtually one of a kind. Some sources suggest fewer than 100 of these error coins exist, and that number might be even lower. That level of rarity means open auctions can get heated, with bids going well into the thousands. Some rumors even suggest private collectors have paid close to 20,000 euros for the best preserved examples.
Clapperboard script, approximate 700 words. Party popper, intro, midnight to 0:30. Studio microphone host, excited tone. Imagine reaching into an old coin jar, pulling out a small, copper-colored 10 pfennig coin, and discovering it's worth not just hundreds, but thousands of dollars. Money bag. Yes, you heard that right. One tiny German coin from 1986, with a special G-Mint mark, could be your hidden jackpot. This isn't clickbait. This is real, and I'm about to show you why this coin has collectors across the globe scrambling to get their hands on it. Eyes. So don't blink, stay with me until the end, because this coin could change your fortune. Magnifying glass tilted left, Part 1, History of the 10 pfennig coin, 0:30 to 2 o'clock. Let's rewind a bit. The 10 pfennig coin was part of the Federal Republic of Germany's currency system under the Deutsche Mark. These coins were in circulation between 1949 and 2001, just before the euro took over. Now, while millions of 10 pfennig coins were minted over the years, not all coins were created equal. These coins were minted in 5 different mints across Germany, each mint assigned a different letter.
That anticipation, the possibility of an ordinary coin doubling as a fortune, is what keeps them watching. To deliver maximum excitement in your video, you can start with a scene like this. What if the coin in your pocket, the one you never bothered to check, was hiding a secret fortune? Stay with me to see how a 1946 penny, made over 70 years ago, might unlock thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars in value. Then you guide them through the common background, high mintages, common condition values, then reveal the rare types, S/D, wrong planchet, double die, inverted mint mark, etc., showing real auction results and price leaps. Compare a run-of-the-mill 1946 penny worth mere pennies to an error version in superb grade that fetched over $3,000. Then pose the tantalizing question, maybe someone out there, somewhere, has an unknown error specimen worth far more. In summary, the 1946 1-cent, Lincoln Wheat, coin is not rare in ordinary form, most are worth only a few cents to a few dollars, depending on grade. Allcoinvalues.com. +4. Rarest.org. +4. LincolnWheatPenny.com. +4. But a handful of error and variety versions, especially the S/D over mint mark, break into the thousands of dollars realm. The known top examples hover around $3,000 plus, with possibilities theoretically higher if an extraordinary error emerges. U.S. coins value. +1. The real excitement lies in that gulf between a worthless, common cent and a hidden gem, and as a video, you can take your viewers on that journey, weaving history, technical detail, and speculative suspense so they stay hooked until the very end.